Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these. These are paper decoration fans and we are going to take a look at these. Let's open up this package here. Is it going to be reopenable? Probably not. Okay. And let's see what we got. There must be a lot of them in here. This thing's pretty heavy and full. Okay, we have a few different things coming on in here. We have these paper decoration fans here with this. You can see these. We have a bunch of these, and then we have these. So I guess let's start with one of these. Let's see. Let's open this up. What is this? It'll be, I guess, like that is what it's going to do. So I don't know. It's like a fan like that. So I guess that's what's going to open up to be a paper fan. Okay, so we have these. Is that what it is? Yeah, on the instructions it kind of explains. Yeah, just kind of opening them all up to make it look like that. So that's kind of the concept of those. Let's see what these ones here are. Let's grab one of these. Let's see what this one is here. This one's probably just going to open up. Ah, look at that. That's very nice. Very nice. Okay, so there's that. And that one comes with a little string so you can hang it up like this. A nice paper fan decoration. Very cool. I'll just stick that one back here in this box so it doesn't stay open. And then let's see what this is here. This is like, it's going to probably be like flags. It's like a whole party kit here. This is great. Okay. And let's see what we got here. Oh, we got several little baggies here. So let's open up this bag. It's like bag in a bag in a bag. Very nice. And these are plastic. This is not paper. But let's see. Oh man, it's like, these are just the flags, like the streamer flags that you hang up. These are great. This would be like a great little Mexican party one here. You've got all these decorations on it. That one has like guitars. This one has a sombrero. This one has a heart. That one's got some birds going on. This one has some more hearts and a saguaro cactus. This one here is some jalapenos. The sun. A skull, and the last one is a skeleton. Sweet. Okay, so that's all of those, and you get a whole bunch of those ones. I don't know if the other ones have different ones or not, but that's like the whole kit here. So you get these, you get these fans that go around this way. You got these ones here that end up all bubbly up. So it's a whole party kit in it. So this is great. It's a whole paper decoration fans and all sorts of decoration kit. What was it actually called? Let me see. It says it was called a Mexican QILICHZ, 5 pieces Mexican something decor. So, but it's cool. I like this whole kit. Thumbs up.